Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix a CCTV camera showing grainy, blurry, or fuzzy video caused by issues like a dirty lens, poor lighting, or low-resolution settings. Problem: grainy, blurry, or fuzzy CCTV video. Common causes: dirty camera lens, poor lighting conditions, low-resolution settings, damaged lens or sensor, improper focus or incorrect lens type. Step-by-step fix. Step 1. Clean the camera lens. Turn off the camera to avoid any damage. Use a microfiber cloth, the type used for glasses, to gently wipe the lens. If dirt is hard to remove, use lens cleaning solution or isopropyl alcohol with a soft cloth. Avoid scratching the lens. Never use tissue, paper towels, or rough cloths. Step 2. Check and adjust the focus. If your camera has a manual focus ring, especially on analog or older IP cameras, adjust it slowly. Have someone monitor the video feed while you fine-tune the focus for clarity. If the camera is out of reach, use a mobile app or client software that supports live focus adjustments for IP cameras. Step 3. Improve lighting conditions. Make sure the camera's field of view is well lit, especially at night. Add outdoor floodlights or infrared (IR) illuminators. If indoors, adjust ambient lighting or add supplemental lighting. Ensure IR night vision is working. At night, check if the IR LEDs glow red, if applicable. Clean the IR sensor area too. Step 4. Check the resolution settings. Log into your DVR, NVR, or camera web interface. Go to camera settings, resolution or video quality. Set it to the highest supported resolution, for example 1080p or 4MP. Also, verify. Bitrate is not too low, which causes video compression artifacts. The frame rate is suitable, 1530 FPS is typical. Step 5. Inspect for damage or obstructions. Make sure there's no plastic film still on the lens, common with new cameras. Check for spiderwebs, raindrops, or condensation on the lens housing. If condensation is present, wipe the dome cover inside and out. Reseal the housing or add silica gel packets inside weatherproof housings. Step 6. Replace or upgrade the camera, if needed. If video remains poor even after all adjustments, consider replacing the camera with one that has higher resolution, for example from 720p to 4MP or 4K, better low light performance. Wider dynamic range, WDR, summary checklist, task status: lens cleaned, focus adjusted, lighting improved, resolution settings checked, obstructions, film removed, camera upgraded, if needed. Let me know if you want a printable checklist or if the camera model is known. I can give camera-specific instructions.